జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత సెకండ్ చాప్టర్ సాంఖ్యయోగం 59th శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ ఆత్మవిద్య ఉపదేశం టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us ఇంక్లూడింగ్ అర్జున. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ సేయింగ్ దట్, హో అర్జున, ఆత్మ సాక్షాత్కారం ఈజ్ యువర్ గోల్. In order to attain your goal, your manas and all your sensory organs should be cooperating with you. But your manas and indriyas are enjoying all the mundane things. Now you stop giving that kind of experiences to your indriyas and manas. You stop giving that mundane food. If you just stop giving the food and leave them hungry, what will happen, Arjuna? The manas will be starting enjoying the manasika anubhavam, mental experience. Mentally, within the mind, that manas will start enjoying the taste and all the fragrances of these mundane things. That manasika anubhavam, that also should be stopped. What you need to do for that? Now you have to start giving the best food. Whatever the most favorite food that it is for you, start giving that one to manas and indriyas. What is the most favorite food for you in this entire creation? What is the most favorite thing for you? Yourself. You like yourself most. There is nothing that you would like more than yourself. That means yourself means not the body, but it is Atma. Now thinking of Atma should be the food for your manas and indriyas. How to think about yourself? That means you can think like this. Just like Paramatma, I too should be free from the clutches of the birth and death. I too should be free from the cycle of birth and death. But why I am going through these so many bodies? If you start thinking like this, that will become the most important thing for you, and all your sensory organs and mind also will be cooperating with you, because you are thinking about yourself. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving us a teaching to think about ourselves, so that automatically we will be detached from the mundane experiences. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, now let us repeat the Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha rasavarjam rasopyasya param društva nivartate. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service, keep on thinking that you are my belonging, surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja, do not cry, ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing all my activities as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantam apeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhum tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshittu is now talking to Kalipurusha, saying that, O Kalipurusha, this country, this place is called Brahmavartam. Here only dharmam and satyam should be continuously going on. Here all the people are following Veda dharmam and doing yajnas. With that yajnas they are pleasing, satisfying Paramapurusha, Yajnapurusha, Srimannarayana. Now that is why na vartitavyam. You should not be staying here. You do not deserve to live in this place. Ho Kalipurusha, only with the yajnas Srimannarayana will be satisfying, Srimannarayana will be pleasing, and then Srimannarayana will be conferring the happiness, peace to the entire world. Ho Kalipurusha, Srimannarayana is receiving yajnas and fulfilling the wishes of all the people. The one who is everywhere, internally and externally, is known as Paramatma, Srimannarayana. He is the one reason behind the survival of each and every entity. Ho Kalipurusha, that is why navartitavyam, you should not be living in this country, in this place. Come on, get away from here. Like that, Parikshittu warning Kalipurusha. At that time, Parikshittu was holding a big sword and he is ready to punish Kalipurusha. At that time, Kalipurusha was getting so much scared by looking at Parikshittu, and also Parikshittu is looking like a Yamadharmaraju holding Yamapasam. When Kalipurusha has seen Parikshittu like that, immediately Kalipurusha saying that, Ho Sarvabhauma, Ho Parikshin Narendra, according to your order, I will go away from here and live somewhere. But now wherever I see జగదీశ్వర నీ ఎడిదము ధగధగిత ప్రభలతోడ దరచుగమెరయన్. వేరెవర్ ఐ సీ, I am seeing only you holding bow and arrows and sword. Ho Parikshit Narendra, I will definitely follow your orders. But I am requesting you now, please show me a place where I can live. I can start living over there. You tell me the place where I can start residing. Like that, Kalipurusha is now requesting Parikshit Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Naham Vande Tava Charanayoho ద్వంద్వం అద్వంద్వహేతోః కుంభీపాకం గురుమపి హరే నారకం నాపనేతుం. రమ్యా రామా మృదుతనులతా నందనేనాపిరంతుం. భావే భావే హృదయభవనే భావయేయం భవంతం. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః. కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః. కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం. కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం. హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 2nd chapter 59th శ్లోక. విషయా వినివర్తంతే నిరాహారస్య దేహినః రసవర్జం రసోప్యస్య పరం దృష్ట్వా నివర్తతే. విషయా వినివర్తంతే నిరాహారస్య దేహినః రసవర్జం రసోప్యస్య పరం దృష్ట్వా నివర్తతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.